So if they visit WebPro or Discount Luxury, so this is the front page. So this one slides. This is the image slider. So they can click and it will slide automatically. And they can also preview the sliders. So if I scroll down, these are the products listed with the images. Then also we have the product list on the left hand side. So we have the list of products on the left hand side. So now if the visitor or the customers, they click on this view, either on this image or this view, it will take them to the detail page of the product. So this is the detail page now. So they can easily select um, the their own option. So we have this. So we have numbers of let's say quantity is 5. They can add it to cart. So at the top right, you will see added to cart. So they don't need to leave this page before they can see what they have added. So on the left hand side also, where we have the bestseller, you can also have the list of products there also. So they can also click on it. So we have this. You can also choose maybe the type of their own choice. They click on OK. So now at the top, we have this. This is our cart. So we have the list. So if the customer want to clear their cart, also they don't need to leave this same page. They can click on clear cart. So you have this. So yes, clear it off. So you can see the notification. So here now we have 0 in our cart now. So let's add another cart. So it has returned us back to the front page. So we click on this. So we have this details page. So you can select this. Let's say we want 5 of this. Then click on add to cart. You can see the notification there. So they can also click on any of these images. It will change. And if they want it more bigger, they will click on this icon here. So it will be more, it will give them a full screen. So they can easily click and to view the image that they want to view. So we can also, let's select the second item, which is this. So you can select this. So you can easily preview the images. So you can come here and this is the image preview. So they can click and click. So let's add, maybe like this one should be 2. It has been added to our cart. So let's add one more item. So we have this. Then let's say this one should be 5. So click on add to cart. You see the notification there also. So you can go to our cart now, which is this. So click on view cart or checkout. So if you click on view cart now, it will show us all the items that you have added. So you can see it here now. So here, if they want to reduce or they want to increase the quantity, they can click it reduce. So automatically what we have here are the total, and the total product will be reduced because we reduce it to, let's say we reduce it to 2, then we increase this one with 1, then we reduce this one to 2 also. So it's automatically going to do the calculation. So we can also clear the cart here also. So click on continue. So we have to this next page. We also have our order summary here. And so we also have this notification that delivery fee not included. It will be calculated after order placement, after the customers have placed their order. So you can put their full name, their email address, then the phone number, let's say this, then the address. Then if there's any note they want us to be conversant with, they can put it there, then click on place order. So it's automatically processing the order. So you can see now the order has been placed. So we have, thank you, Ayo, your order has been placed successfully. You will now be redirected to our WhatsApp and your proforma invoice will be downloaded. So when the customer clicks on continue to WhatsApp, it automatically opens. Then the customer can now come to, if the customer close the WhatsApp window, then it will take them to this place whereby they can download their proforma invoice. Yes, and now they can download their proforma invoice, and then when they are done, they can still click back to shop. it will take them back to the home page of the website. So this is how the performer invoice looks like. So you click on back to shop now, it will come back to the home page. So that's it. So we also have the address at the bottom, we have email, we have all this. So the customer can also subscribe. You can click on the subscribe button, then click on subscribe. So now we have this one, you have already subscribed. So it will not allow double subscription duplicates. So you can maybe, that's a new one. So we have this, thank you for subscribing. So the person has successfully subscribed. So that is how it works. So at the top where we have the menu, we have all products, which is going to list all the products that we have. Then we also have the blog menu. So this one now, they can easily read about maybe there's any post on furniture that we want our customers to, read through. So they can easily click and they will read about the post. So that is what the blog is working for. Then we also have contact us, whereby they can easily contact us through this page. So we have the map there, the location of those of the two locations that we have. So we have the address there. So they can also send us contact messages through forms. So these are so this is the form here now. So I'm going to send this. We have this, let's say the customers, the subject. This is the message. Then they answer this question, 1 + 1 = 2. Then click on send message. So now this one is saying the captcha we enter was not correct. So you can reload it. Okay, this is 3 + 6. That gives us 9. Send. You can see now your message has been sent successfully. So that is all about the front end. So this is the admin back end where we have the settings. So we click on sign in. All right, so this is the sign in. This is the dashboard. So on this dashboard now, we have the setting on the left hand side. So here now we have the category, whereby you can add different categories to the application. We have this. Then we also have locations, whereby you can add different locations. So we have these locations here now. So you can edit. We can edit the location. We can delete the location. We can delete the location. Then we can also add location. We can have multiple locations on this back end. Then we also have delivery. We have delivery here. So on this delivery now, we can add delivery method, which we have this. So these are the ones that we have already. We can also edit. We can delete the delivery. Then we also have payments. We have payments here. So you can do, you can edit payment. You can also delete the payment. We have that. Then we also have variants, whereby on this variant now, we can also add different colors that we have. So we can close, we can add, we can delete. Then we also have attributes. So for these attributes now, the same thing, we can add different attributes to the back end. Then we also have pricing. Pricing, that means so that it will be easier for us to be able to add any product to the back end. So we have the add pricing here. So let's go back to our dashboard. Then here we can easily see the process, the order that has been sent to us. So click on this. So we have this. You can see that the customer have not yet paid. They have not paid any amount. So we have the total order of 17.5 million plus. So these are the details. So if you want to process this invoice, pro forma invoice now, we click on update. So select the method of delivery, then the location, then the payment, type of payment, then delivery, let's say 50,000, then payment, let's say the customer paid 17 million, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then click on submit, click on OK. So to return back to this page, we are still going to be retained back on this page to see the details. So here now we have the part payment. The customers have paid part payment. These are the details here. So let's assume that the customer wants to clear their the balance. So we can still come to this and perform update. We click here. Let's say we still select this, the location, the payment. Then let's say we don't receive any delivery amount. So we have 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So, okay, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 500. So we select this. So successfully updated. Then we have this. So after the customer are fully paid, we have this paid in full. Balance, there's no balance anymore. So this is what we have. So this is how to process the customer's order. So we can click on this in case we want to print the hard copy. So this is what we have. So let's go back to the dashboard. All right, so we have user account. So you can create different staff's account here. You can click on this. So we have this. You can fill up this form to create the account. We go back to our dashboard. Then we have inventory. So under this inventory, this is where we can add the customer's details. So we can come here and reduce the view, whereby we have this. So we have the category, the name, and all that. So if you want to view the image, the pictures of the that particular product, you can click on this view. Then you can click on next to show the details and the different pictures of the product. So you can also click on download in case you want to make use of the images. So we also have all this. You can also click on edit in case you want to edit the product. This is it here. These are the images that we uploaded here. You can upload 4 images at a time, maximum of 4 images. So we have this. So let's go back. So if you want to add inventory, now you click on add new inventory. Then you can click on variants. These are the variant settings that we set in this particular place. So here now we have the variants here. You can select any variant that you want. You can add more variants. You can add as many as possible. Then we will, attributes. Then we also have variants. You can add different variants. That means different colors and all that. Then you can select your images. You can upload. Okay, sorry. Maximum upload is 3. So you have 3 images here, but maximum 4, either 3 or 4. So you can put upload. So we also have publish. Publish means it will be shown at the front end. Draft means it will be saved, but it will not be shown at the front end. So we have yes, it is in stock or not in stock. Then we have the category to be selected. Then we have the quantity that we have at that particular moment that we are adding the inventory to the back end. Then we have the discount. Discount is when we want to give discounts to the discounts of the product. So it will be in figures, not in price. That means maybe 1.5%, 2.5%, and all that. So we also have cost price, the cost of the product. Then we also have the price, whereby we set the price here in the setting so that it will be easier. Just select the price range that you've entered. Then when you are done, you click on submit product. So let's go back to our front end, to our dashboard, sorry. Then we also have warehouse. This is when the management maybe purchase some products and they want to store it in the warehouse. So this is how it is being done. You click on add new stock. So inside this new stock now, we can add different items. You can add multiple items. So this invoice ID is automatically generated. Then you can also select your date. This is the date here. You can select the type of product that we want to add. If the product is not here, we have to go back to our inventory to add it so that it will be shown here. So that is how it works. So when we are done, we can easily, if there's a note to add, you can add the note, then you can click on save details. So that is how to add warehouse stock. Then we also have location. Maybe you want to move those products that we purchased, that we store into the warehouse. We want to move it to other locations. So we click on this location stock. So it's in this location stock now, we have this. So you can easily click on add new. Let me zoom this in. So we have add new location stock. So you can click on it. So we have this. So from with this now, you can easily select the product that we want to move to a particular location. And these are the locations that we have here. We have 3 locations here now. So we have the invoice, we have the date. You can select the date. So when you are done with the distribution, you can click on save stock details. Then if there's a note, you can also add a note. So that is how to distribute the from warehouse to the different locations that we have. Then we also have return back to our dashboard. Then from this dashboard now, maybe we want to move one product from one location to other. We can do that. We can do transfer from one location to other. We can create new location transfer. So we click on this. Okay. So you select the date, select the product that you want to transfer. Then you select the location that is releasing the product, then the location that is receiving the product you select. Then from here now, you put the quantity of the product to, that you want to do you want to transfer. So you then click on submit. So that is how the location transfer works. Then we move to stock count. Maybe at the end of the year or end of the month, the administrator wants to make some counting of the stock. You can click on create stock count. It gives off this window. So on this window now, this is the expected quantity that we are expecting. So now if I have, let's say 2, 2, we have 66 here, and we are expecting 11. So we are going to, on this status now, we are going to have this red mark. But if the count is complete, let's say we have 2 here, we have 2, then we have 2, 2, 4, then we have 7, let's say 7. Now you can see now it turns to green automatically. Then now we have other 3 that is here now. So this submit stock count is not going to be activated because it is not correct. So with this now I can say, let's say 5, this one is 5, let's say this one is 74, then let's say this one is 34. Now you can see that everything has been turned red, and this button automatically, it's active automatically. So that is how the stock count works. So we move to the dashboard again. So with this now, we also have page ads. Page ads are the ads that we have at the front end. Like this now, if you go to the front end of the website, we have something like this. So we have something like this. Now, if you look at this place now, these are the ads that we have. This is the ad that we have. So we have this, we have this. So we can automatically update it. So we can easily update the advert at the front end. So we can come here, click on the name. We have advert 1. So click on that particular advert you want to change. You click on it. Then you locate the advert you want to use to replace, you want to use for the replacement. Then let's say we want to use this as the advert. Then you click on upload. Then it has been uploaded successfully. So let's go to the front end and check. So this is what you have. You can see that the advert is there now. So it had been updated. So here now at the back end now, you will now see this. So in case you want to do exchange, you want to update the advert, so that can be done. So that is how that one works. Then we also have image slider. Our image slider, this is our image slider. That is the first image that the customers or visitors will see on our website. So this is what we have. So with this now, we can come here and change our image slider. So you can click on, now we have add new slider. We can add the title, the size. This is the size. Then we also have the status. So if you want to deactivate it, we can come here and say edit. So it loads to this place. So you can say the inactive, so that when you say inactive and we upload the slider, this particular one will not be shown. That means we have removed it. We didn't delete it, but we just, it is being hidden. So later we can reactivate it. So that is how the slider works. So we also have company's profile. This is where you can change the company's logo, the company's name, and all that. So that this is where we can do all that. This is it here. Then we go to the dashboard again. So we also have testimonials. So maybe we have customers that testify to our products. So we can come here, we can scroll down. So we have this is the section here. You can easily see this is 1, this is 2. So you can come to this back end here to update our testimonials. So we have this. Then let's go back to our dashboard again. So we also have blogs. This is our blog here. We have our blog here that we showed. So on this blog now, we can come here and click on add blog. So we put on the title. So any title that you put, automatically it will generate a slug for it. So in case you want to change it, you can also change it. Then we also have this category. What's the blog that you want to post, on what are we posting, on what category are we posting on? So this is what we have. Then put the blog details here. Then the image that will be shown on the blog, either the list, this is the blog list. Then when we click on it, it's going to show the details. This is the image we are going to use. So that's about the blog. Then we go back to our dashboard. Then we also have partners. For this partner now, we have it scrolling on the home page at the bottom. So we have our partners here. This is what we have. This is it here. So we can easily update them. You can delete, you can remove. It depends on the administrative opinion. So that is all about the front end and the back end. So this is what we have. Thank you. So you can also log out. You can log out our account. So that's what we have.